A Bengaluru-based startup, Redwing Labs, launched a pilot project on Monday to utilize drones to provide superior healthcare services to tribal and rural communities in a town Seppa situated in East Kameng district of Arunachal, Pradesh, which will help deliver medical supplies up to 8 times faster than road-based logistics. The startup Redwing Labs would provide made-in-India hybrid vertical takeoff and landing drones and run end-to-end operations for the project. The healthcare drone pilots in Arunachal Pradesh are an outcome of the state's partnership with the World Economic Forum's Medicines from the Sky initiative. India started trials and pilots of drone-based deliveries in healthcare in 2021. Several states including Telangana, Nagaland, Manipur, Meghalaya, Orissa and Uttarakhand have done pilots and experimental flights. While emphasizing the impact of this initiative, Pravimal Abhishek, IAS Deputy Commissioner of East Kameng District said, East Kameng District has a very hilly terrain which makes it difficult to access interior areas, particularly during monsoons. I'm sure the drone-based drug delivery will be a game changer in strengthening access to healthcare in such remote areas. Hoping that this pilot would give us the answers and clarity for the future. And according to Arunachal Sharma, CEO and co-founder of Redwing Labs, he said, "We are hopeful that this trial will give quantifiable data points on cost and supply chain behavior for drones in public healthcare to kickstart mass adoption." News Desk Report, Voice 24/7.